Today I want to show you what the new positioning looks like for the brand and how we got there. And I want to show you how I find new courses to take for under $30 each that have massively leveled up my skills. By the way, if you want the system that we're covering in this video as a free checklist, grab the link in the description. You can have a PDF of everything we talked about. So I used to run a company called Wohello, and we changed the name to Albert Halsey. It was a design company where we put a bunch of art up on the site. I just kept wondering why our sales weren't going up and what I was missing, right? I felt like I was banging my head up against the wall. People would give me recommendations on Instagram. One guy said, "Alex, make an about page." Another person said, "What do people get when they wear this brand?" And their questions were coming from a context that I didn't have. That was the biggest realization. So that was Wohello before, no brand message. Now let me show you what Albert Halsey, the new company, looks like. Welcome to the best Las Vegas apparel. It's got a shop now button. It has multiple things, limited run exclusive gear from top artist and fashion designer. We've got a about section. We curate premium apparel and collectibles that celebrate the rich culture and history of Las Vegas. That is all about Las Vegas. So what was I missing? Why was Wohello so hard to figure out? And yet now here I am with Albert Halsey, a business that has a niche that has now generated revenue, almost more revenue than the entirety of Wohello in the last couple weeks, which is insane. So how did we figure all this out? Courses. Online courses. What I realized was I was trying an e-commerce business, a drop shipping business, but my background wasn't drop shipping. My background is B2B sales. So I kept coming up with a bunch of B2B sale ideas and wondering why people weren't buying the clothes. So what I needed to do is I went over to a little place I like to call Udemy.com. And you can see here I already have a bunch of courses bought. So I bought this Shopify course, and I'll show you exactly the Shopify course I liked. It led to us building the whole site. It was under $20. And so if you're into Shopify, I'd recommend this course. So I'll show you the system for how you can use courses to learn anything. And I want to show you how to figure out what to learn. This is the course I got, and it goes through exactly how to set up the page step by step, conducting research, signing up for the essentials. And all it took was for me to go through these steps. Then my business mind took over. And that's why our business idea is good. I've started a lot of companies. I'm on the board of a lot of companies. I am an advisor to a lot, millions and millions of dollars worth of brands. I should have been able to grab this, but sometimes when you're in a brand new market, you need to learn the basics. And then I instantly was able to add all these advanced tactics and figure out what's going on, but I needed to get the basics first. And that's all a course is. What this also did is give me more context. So for instance, when I was thinking about how to sell Albert Halsey, from a marketing point of view, and we'll go over this in depth, one-page business plan, we'll go over that in a future video. When I was trying to think about how to sell Albert Halsey from a marketing point of view, I had a couple ideas that were the same as my B2B ideas. Let's cold call and cold email retail stores and get on the shelves. That was one. And then other ideas that I would just riff based on what I thought worked. Let's send our clothes to influencers. That's another good one. However, as I was running through this course, I was reminded of all the ways that apparel companies sell. Now, this might sound really obvious to you, depending on your background. But for me, coming from B2B and high ticket selling to some of the largest companies in the world, this was not obvious. And those channels were things like selling on Etsy, posting stuff on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, actually selling on Instagram, things that other people in e-commerce know exist because they follow these courses to get the basics. The next step was searching each one of those topics and finding the best course for me for each one of those. So for instance, let's say you wanted to sell your apparel on eBay. Just search eBay and you'll get a few courses listed. Notice all the courses on Udemy are about $10. There's no crazy course here, and they're marked down from like $200-300 each. So you can get a lot of good advice here. The first thing I look for is the ratings. So this course is out, 8,000 ratings, 4.2 stars. Get out of here, you trash can. The next one, complete eBay course from beginner to advanced. This one's 4.6 stars, so this is it. This one, Jack's eBay drop shipping retail arbitrage. I want to find a course that's exactly what I want to learn. I don't want to do retail arbitrage. Maybe I do want to do retail arbitrage now that I'm thinking about it. But I would get this beginner to advanced is where I would start. And then if this is bad, it's only $10, so you can buy another one pretty easy. The process is buy a course, make changes yourself. If you're still not getting results, hire a coach, make changes yourself, buy another course if you're still failing, or change businesses. If you're running a cold email marketing campaign and you're getting under 80% as your open rate, grab this free document. This is 50 subject lines to test. I've sent over 2 million cold emails. We've generated over $100 million in leads. Click the link below. You can have all these subject lines. Thanks for watching the video. If you want a link down to Udemy, you can grab that in the description below. And if you want anything we talked about in this video as a PDF, that is also down in the description below. Subscribe to this channel. We do videos 3 times a week all about business and motivation and helping you get to the next level or maintain, which is also just as important. What course would you take? What do you need to learn that you're putting off? Leave that down below. Subscribe for more content like that, and I will talk to you later. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching.